elect?
As per our consensus as of this morning, we will elect Senator Chiz Escudero if we convene again as the impeachment court to be the presiding officer.
Why so, sir?
Lawyer Kasi at saka may experience na rin siya sa impeachment. So, yun.
Sure na siya, sir, si Senator Chiz na
yun ang consensus namin as of this morning. Pwede magbago.
Senator,
And si Senator Win mismo, Senate President ang nag-suggest din nun.
Sir, sorry yun ba, kasama ba yan sa negosasyon ng paglipat
No.
ni Sen. Chiz?
No. Kami yun, nag-usap. Para lang maging smooth. Kasi alam nyo, pag ikaw nag-preside, kailangan talaga meron kang hindi basic knowledge sa law. Yung rules of court, evidence. Kasi once na merong mag-motion either from the prosecution or defense, merong pagkakataon na kailangan mag-rule ka immediately, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Sustained, overruled. Hindi naman pwedeng kada motion ibabalik ka sa body.
When will that happen, sir? The election of Sen. Chiz as presiding officer?
Pag nag-convene uli kami, I think July 6.
July 6 yan,
Yeah,
sir?
July 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, pag yung